Hey guys, welcome back to Jen's Coffee Table Commentary. Just wanted to do a quick update on the review that I did for the Thomas Nelson New Testament Tracing Edition. Literally, like 2 days after I did that review, the front cover fell off. And apparently that's happened to a lot of people. So I just wanted to show you, I have fixed it, and I was going to show you guys how I fixed it. But I did kind of want to update the review just because that shouldn't happen. And I'm guessing because the spine is exposed, when you're writing on it, you're pressing down. So basically, you're putting all that weight, and the only thing holding it is paper. So I kept writing, and I was like, why does this feel weird? And then I noticed that this top section here, the cover was lifting off, and paper was attached to that side, and then paper was attached to the other part. I was like, oh my gosh, what is going on? I as a hobby have been rebinding some old Bibles, so I happen to have some book glue and things. Now this, it's super cheap. I got it at Walmart. It's Elmer's CraftBond. It's less than $3. And then I have, just a regular little brush that I got at the Dollar Tree. And I also have this clamp that I also got at the Dollar Tree. It's like $1.25 or $1.50. I don't know why they call it a Dollar Tree anymore. But anyway, so what I did, I just put some out, on a little tray, got my glue on my brush, and then literally there was part of the paper exposed here and part of the paper on the back of the cover. So I just coated it really well on both sides. I let it set for, 30 seconds, a minute, so it was tacky. And then I folded the paper in, closed it together. I personally banged it on a table to make sure it was completely even. And then I took my clamp and put it around the book like this. And I literally left it like that for a day. And it seems to be fine. But I also wanted to let you know, I'm scared that it's going to happen again. I didn't want it to happen again. So now I was on, I think, Matthew 9. Now I'm on Matthew 13. Also, if you guys want to know the different pens and everything that I used in here, that's on my original review. But I wanted to let you know, I started taking the cover from the box when I was writing and placing it underneath like this. That way it's got some support, so it's not gonna, rip down again. So just wanted to update my review, let you guys know that that did happen. I still love it. I don't know what they were thinking doing that, because apparently it's happened to a lot of people. But quick fix, like I said, 3, 4, $5. The Elmer's Craft Bond and this. That's what I did. So hopefully that'll help somebody out if it's happened to you. So have a good one, guys.